Hello, I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Hindu Postgraduate College, Jamania Gazipur. I am one of the participants of Faculty Induction Training Program, and this online faculty induction training program is organized by Teaching Learning Center, Ramanujan College, University of Delhi in collaboration with Central University, Tamil Nadu, VCSG Uttarakhand University, and Dhote Bandhu Science College, Gondia, Maharashtra. The pandemic 19 has dramatically changed education with the distinctive need for e-learning and continuance of teaching learning over remote and digital platform. The teachers in higher education has increasingly felt the need for formal training courses at the beginning of their career to prepare themselves for their professional journey. Looking beyond basic orientation, the need is of a broad based but focused program that would prepare the teachers with pedagogical skill and techniques, research methodologies, methods of curriculum development with latest in information technology, both for gathering of knowledge as well as its dispensation, and acquaint them with process of institutional administration and self-development. The Ministry of MHRD, Government of India, launched the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission of Teachers and Training Program through its Teaching Learning Center. The primary objective of the induction program is to empower and motivate the teachers of in living the learning process by adopting novel pedagogic approaches of teaching learning which is collaborative and participant centered to integrate learning and teaching with information communication technology ICT. As per the latest UGC regulation, this program is equivalent to 1 month orientation program. It fulfill require as per CAS of UGC and AICTE for promotional purposes. The induction program involves expert guidance of eminent academics and specialists, hand-on training modules, exercise in direct classroom teaching, questionnaire-based responses, collaborative learning, assessment of learning outcome, assignment work, quizzes, and so on. Thank you very much. तो बेटा देखो स्टॉप तो किए हैं।